Hey guys, so somebody asked me if I can do a wash update, and I went down my feed, and guess what? The last wash update and the only wash update was when I just started my journey, and I didn't do another one. And I am 5 years Sisterlock now. Today, I'm gonna grant her request, and I'm going to show you guys my routine. I promote braiding and banding, especially for anyone who has my texture here, which is very soft and very thin, so therefore it slips really easy. I've already went and previously braided and banded my hair. Braiding and banding consists of loosely, you can see through the braids, right? So that's me loosely plaiting it. And then you put an elastic at the end. And because I have low porosity here, what I'm gonna do is literally drench it before I put any product on it. So I just ran to the store. I don't even know if this is a good brand, but it says it's sulfate-free. So I just grabbed a shampoo. Now I included jojoba, I don't know if I'm saying that right. I've also put some rosemary oil in here, shook it up, and this is what I'm gonna use. So hopefully I like it, hopefully it lathers up, and hopefully it cleanses my hair. Step 1, make sure you soak your hair. Step 2, shampoo. I like a lot of shampoo, and I like a lot of lather. But as you can see, for low porosity here, if you soak your hair, it starts to lather up right away. Before I used to just damp it and then try to start the process, and honestly, it would take forever just to get to this stage. So again, you really want to work the roots. I am not gentle. I don't know how to be gentle. I literally get in to the roots. I shampoo twice, condition once. My first wash, I focus on my scalp. Honestly, the second wash, always the shampoo just kind of slips in. I'm just taking it with minimal manipulation and just kind of go down the lock. Sometimes I squeeze and just comb down the lock. At this point, it's smelling really good. It's slipping through my hair. My suds are like white, so I feel it's cleansed. Okay, I'm gonna leave this in while I shower. I want you to see the grass there. Makes you kind of miss your loose hair, huh? Okay, so my hair's washed. I'm up close. You can see some of the fuzzes. It looks a little bit more fuzzier than before. The front is not locked, so certain of them, I just had them plaited and probably came out, which is fine. I could just replait it. My next step after I've washed, conditioned, is to do a hot oil treatment. Right now, I'm using this, the Oil of Life. What I do, take some of the spoolie and seriously just make sure I try to get it in and feel it on my scalp. And then put a cap on and sit under my dryer. So after I get the scalp, I take a little bit, put it in my hand. Then I'm going to just go down the shaft. The reason I don't heat up the oil prior is because I don't want to burn my scalp. And 2, I'm going under the dryer that's gonna be hot anyways. It's gonna heat up the oil. So in my opinion, I feel like it's still gonna do the job. Okay, so this is what I'm looking like. 30 to 60 minutes. And this is the time where kick back, read a book, and just chill. This is what it's looking like. The scalp looks nice and moisturized. So I'm about to, one by one, loosen these plaits, replait them. Hopefully they're gonna look a little neater than they do now. That's gonna be my hairstyle for the week. Hey, so I am so sorry I did not come back to show you the final result of what I did with my hair. So this is what I ended up doing with my hair after I did the hot oil treatment. This is my attempt at lock knots. I rocked it for the whole week. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If there's anything else that you want to see, please do comment down in the comment section. I will try to grant your wishes, and I definitely respond to every single comment that I do get. I actually love them. Thank you so much for being interactive with me. Thank you for staying tuned. I see the subscribers growing. Thank you for coming along the journey with me. It's been 5 years and I'm still loving this journey even on its bad days. Till then, see you next time. Bye.